Someone in front of you yawns, and suddenly, you yawn too. You didn't even notice it because it wasn't a choice. Your brain did it automatically, and deep inside, there's a reason for that. Your brain did it automatically, and deep inside, there's a reason for that. Deep in your brain are cells called mirror neurons. They don't just watch what others do, but they simulate it, feel it, and sometimes reproduce it. Contagious yawning is not just a reflex. It's your brain syncing with another nervous system. The more empathy you have, the stronger the signal. Your brain is not copying, it is connecting. Yawning is not weakness. It is your nervous system reaching out. This is what connection feels like. I'm Dr. Ethan Everhart. This is how your body communicates.